Why Kartra is the #1 digital marketing platform, part 1. Look, do you want a platform that does everything? I mean everything. You don't have to buy a bunch of different software. Then you've come to the right place, because I'm going to tell you about Kartra. This is a 2-part series, and when you watch both of these videos, you're going to figure out that you're probably overpaying at one of these other providers. You probably have too many different pieces of software you're paying for, and Kartra can do all of them for you. And we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thanks for joining my channel. Thanks for showing up. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Big subscribe button down there. Next to that, there's a bell. Sounds just like this when you ring it. I promise it does. Give it a shot. Try it. I mean, just try it now. Hit that button and turn on all notifications, and when you do that, you'll become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. Pretty cool stuff. Hey, I've been online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars in both digital and physical product. So on this channel, it's really your channel. I'm here to share with you those things you want, those things you need to build your business. So if you put your comments below, you let me know what you need, you let me know what you want, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to give it to you. Yeah, I'm going to give you the videos you want so that you can move yourself forward, so you can start, run, and grow your online businesses. So let me talk about Kartra. Now, Kartra gets me excited. It gets me excited because I guess about 2 or 3 years ago, I had all these software programs. I was paying Infusionsoft, and I was paying Leadpages, and I was paying Clickfunnels, and I was paying, there's so many of them, there are 8 of them. And I switched to Kartra, and now I have one, just one. And you know what? It's cheaper, and it does more for me than all of those other things put together. And that's what this video series, this one and the next one, is about. There's 2 of these, so don't forget, you're going to want to watch number 2. And yeah, so let's check it out. You know, it seems like if you want to sell a product online, there's a lot of tech stuff you got to hook together. I'm not a real techie person. I like it all in one place, and that's what I like about Kartra, is I can log into one place and all my stuff is there. It's like, you know, when I got started, it was like you had to have a website, you had to have hosting, and you had to have a way to collect emails, and you had to have sales pages, and you had to have checkout pages, and you had to have email providers, and oh my god, there were just so many things you had to do. But guess what? Kartra does it all. Now here's the scary thing about all that, is that if you had all those other programs, which I did, you pay an arm and a leg for all these things. It's expensive. Now if you want to see a video on how Kartra works, a lot more detailed than what I'm going to do here, but it really goes through all the components, go down in the description. You're going to find a link there for Kartra. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to opt in. You don't need a credit card. Go watch that video. It'll blow your mind. I mean, blow your mind. I promise it will. And if you want Kartra, you can get it for a trial for $1. Use my link. It's my affiliate link. Yeah, no, but you know what, it's going to save you time and money. You got to check it out. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. If not, let's stick with me on this video and let's go through this. Now, what is Kartra? First off, Kartra is an all-inclusive online marketing platform that was founded in 2018 by Genesis Digital. Now Genesis Digital is the same company that came out with EverWebinar and Webinar Jam, which was Mike Filsaime and Andy Jenkins. Andy Jenkins has since passed away, and his wife Sarah runs Kartra, but she is doing a great job, and they're amazing. It's like every week I get more stuff that they're putting into the program that they don't charge me for. Matter of fact, I got an email the other week and it says, hey, you know all email platforms will charge you if you send too many emails. You have different plateaus and all that, and then if you use too much data, they're going to charge you. Guess what they did? They sent me an email and they said, we're not going to charge you anymore, but you now have unlimited emails. Yeah, hang on to that for a second. Unlimited, no matter what your plan is. You also have unlimited data, and since I host my videos inside Kartra, it costs me $0. I don't need Wistia. I don't need any of these hosting programs. I can put them in Kartra, and I'll get into more detail later about that, and look at the analytics right there in Kartra. How valuable is that? And guess what they charge for that? Nothing. They just gave it to us. Now there's been a lot of programs come and go over the years, and there's still some good ones out there, but there is no program that does everything Kartra does. I used to have Clickfunnels and Infusionsoft, which cost me thousands of dollars a month for that because of the size of my list, and now I pay a fraction of that. Now, is Kartra for everyone? I hate to say no, but it's not. If you're not serious about really building and growing your business, you can get by with some free little email program. You're never going to grow much. You're never going to really get anywhere. And I think a lot of people say, well, gee, I don't want to have to pay for something like Kartra until I need it. The problem with that is you'll build out a whole bunch of stuff in other places, and then you got to move it. And that's what happened to us. I mean, it took us I think 6 months to move everything over to Kartra. So it's better to start with a platform that you can stick with. But I tell you who it is for. It's for the serious digital marketer who wants to grow their business, who says, I'm not going to toy around with this. I'm gonna make it online. I'm gonna do well online. I'm gonna grow my business, and I don't want to duct tape together a bunch of different pieces of software. Now let's take a look on the inside. First off, the onboarding process is great with Kartra. They let you know exactly where you are and where you need to go. Right after I signed up, I received 4 emails on the onboarding process. So they're obviously using their own product to market to you and to help you. When first signing into my account, I was greeted with a welcome video that explains some of the features of Kartra, as well as the initial steps I should take. Now, you don't have to follow my exact list of things to do, but it's a good guideline. The first thing you can look at is the page building. You can hardly have an online business without a website to boot. Okay, that's where Kartra Page Builder comes in the best. Now here's an example of the page builder right here, but it isn't your usual blank canvas builder. Kartra provides pre-made templates for virtually any use case you can imagine, from traditional homepage to blog feed to long form sales pages to classic squeeze pages. And you can also take the code if you've got a WordPress site and embed it on your site, so you can have them on your site if you want. Here's another example of a template here. The templates are surprisingly good across the board, including both old school but not ugly and modern layouts. You know, I've always been critical about these page builders, but I gotta tell you, almost every page builder under the sun I didn't like, and then I became a critic of all these page builders, but not the ones in Kartra. I was just totally blown away by them. Now you can also incorporate other elements in those pages, in those templates, and change them very easily. Now the cool thing is, you can put a component in there and you can easily drag and drop a video. You can drag and drop text. You can drag and drop a button, anything you want on the page. It's all there for you. Now the part I really like is Kartra Video. This is the only digital marketing site in the world where you can have all these components and host your videos there. And the important thing is, if you host your videos there, you got analytics, you know where they're watching, where they're dropping off, based on their activity. You can send them emails. You can do so many things with it. If you want pop-ups, here you go. Pop-ups are there, and it's really simple. It's as simple as clicking a button. Literally, you just click the button and you got a pop-up. You can have all the page builders in the world, but if you can't put your products there, you're screwed. But on Kartra, you don't have to worry about it. You got products, you got carts. You can use that same product on multiple pages. You can't do that in Clickfunnels. You have to build it for each page. But here in Kartra, once you put that product in there, you can also put different price points and decide what price points you want to pop up, so you don't have to worry about making all these extra products like a lot of the other programs require you to do. Now in Kartra, you're going to have 2 different kinds of products. You can take a product that is a main sell product, and you can also take that same product and make it an upsell product, so you can use it in 2 different ways. You're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you just choose between main product or upsell or download products. Then what Kartra is going to do is it's going to take you through the process. You're going to click through the screens and put all the parameters of the product on there. Here's an example of that screen right here. Then you're going to check your payment gateways, the product pricing, trial instructions such as $1 for the first 7 days, product checkout and thank you page design, cart abandonment rules, cart bump offers. You can add X for $5, that type of thing, cart templates and style, hosted, overlay, embedded, and a bunch more, guys. I mean, it really is amazing in there what you can do. You can also change your checkout page look and feel, as you can see right here. Many of these features are also stackable, meaning that you can create pretty complex offers without feeling held back by tech. You don't need the tech guys anymore. You can do it yourself. And for anyone who sells digital courses like myself, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Kartra with membership modules, so the whole thing just works like clockwork. I don't even have to worry about it. So far, the shopping cart, I gotta tell you, has been nothing short of impressive, especially when you consider that it's part of a much larger full-scale software program. But it gets even better when you throw in the affiliate portal. That's right, you've got an affiliate portal. For each product you create, you can enable this portal to give your customers a chance to become your best promoters, so other people can promote your products in there. So it grabs that like from ClickBank, and now you've got all these affiliates that can sell your products too. Here's an example of the affiliate page here. Affiliates are then given custom share URLs with their tracking code embedded and allow you to offer either a percentage or a fixed rate for the sale, so you can adjust that. You're even able to see information on your affiliates, the number of referrals, and the payout history right from your dashboard, and the payout is done automatically. In the next video I'm going to show you the best parts, which I think are the analytics, the special pricing, and of course my final thoughts on Kartra. I really appreciate you watching this video here. I really do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget, ring the bell, turn on bell notifications. You turn on bell notifications, become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. Now I really appreciate your comments, so put your comments below. This is your channel. I want to know what you're thinking. I want to know what you learned. If I missed something, please tell me down there in that comment section. If you have a question, please put it in that comment section, and I'm going to see you in video 2 on Kartra, and I'll see you there. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.